Hi, good afternoon. It's Nick from Carlton Motor Company. Today we're going to show you the 2020 VW Crafter CR35. It's the 2-litre 140 brake horsepower, fully complete with the top fleet glazier racking system with your roof rack and the ladder on the back door. Let's have a look inside. So we're just sitting inside the cab, lovely cabs, they always have been on the VWs. Loads of extras on this one, being the Trendline. You've got your aircon and your cruise control, you've got your Android and your Apple Play, so you can get everything through the multifunctional steering wheel, your messages, your WhatsApps. If you like the van and you'd like any more information, please give Nick or Chris a call. Thanks very much.